The only thing you'll need to make your tote bag out of a t-shirt is an old t-shirt and a pair of scissors. The first thing you want to do is to lay your t-shirt out with the collar and sleeves at this end towards you. And then you're going to cut out the arms to make a strap. And then also cut out the collar. Now what you're going to do is flip this like this, line up the bottom, and then cut strips through both layers of the fabric in about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch apart along the whole thing. And you want to make it long enough, the cut's deep enough that you'll be able to double knot them at the bottom. And do that across the whole t-shirt. Now you're going to go back to the fringes at the bottoms and tie them together. So the front fringe will correspond with the back fringe, and you want to tie them double knotted across the whole bottom of the t-shirt. And then, just like they do in cooking segments on TV, voila, it's all done. Switcheroo with the one that's done. And that's your tote bag. Now we're going to make a super simple infinity scarf using a t-shirt as well. And we'll start by cutting it across the whole t-shirt from armpit to armpit. Next, you're going to pull those fringes and stretch them out. Now, like we did with the tote bag, we're going to make a simple knot in the fringe, but we're not tying it to anything. We're just doing an overhand knot in each fringe. Like that. And there you have it, the fashionable t-shirt scarf. And you also have your tote bag made out of t-shirts.